Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So if your laptop is stuck in sleep mode and not waking up, in this video I will share few steps you can try to fix it. The first step you can try is press the power button once, don't hold it. The second step you can try is press any key or move the mouse. The third step you can try is connect or disconnect the power adapter. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method you can try. Press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until it shut down completely. Wait for a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it on. Now move on to the next method you can try. If you are still getting the same issue, right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. Now in this Device Manager option, click on this option Display Adapters, expand this option. So this will show you your display adapter driver. So right click on it, then click on Update Driver, then click on Search Automatically. So you have to update your display driver, then click on Close. After that, click on this keyboard option, expand this option, and this will show you your keyboard. So right click on it, then click on Update Driver, click on Search Automatically. So this will update your keyboard as well. Then click on this option Other Pointing Devices, expand this option, and this will show you your mouse. So right click on it, then click on Update Driver, click on Search Automatically. So you have to update these three drivers. Cut this window and then restart your system. Now move on to the next method you can try. Again, right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. Now here you have to again click on this option Other Pointing Devices, expand this option. Now right click on your mouse driver, then click on Properties. After that you have to click on this tab Power Management. Now here make sure this option is tick. Allow this device to wake the computer. So make sure this option is tick, okay, like this. Then click on OK. Do the same thing for your keyboard. So expand this option, right click on your keyboard, then click on Properties. In my laptop I don't have this Power Management tab, okay, so I will cut this window. Now you have to restart your system and check. Now move on to the next method you can try. Open Control Panel. So double click on this Control Panel option. After that, go to this View By section and then select Large Icons. Now click on this option Power Options. After that, click on this option Change Plan Settings. Click on it. Then click on this option Change Advanced Power Settings. Click on it. Now you will see this kind of window. So first you have to click on this Sleep option, expand this option, and this will show you this option Hibernate After. Expand this option. Now you have to type 00 in both on battery and plugin. So type 00, then click on Apply, then scroll down, click on this USB settings option, expand this option, and this will show you this option USB selective suspend setting. Click on it, then expand this option. Now you have to disable both the options. So select disable, then click on Apply, then again scroll down, then click on this option PCI Express, expand this option, and this will show you this option Link State Power Management. Expand this option. Now you have to select off in both the options, then click on Apply, then click on OK. That's it. Cut this window, restart your system and check. Now move on to the final method you can try. Open Control Panel again, then go to this Power option, then click on this option Change Plan Settings. Now here you have to click on this option Restore Default Settings for this plan. Click on it, click on Yes. So this will set the default settings. That's it. Cut this window. Now check. So these are the few methods you can try to fix this. This is all for the video. Thank you.